Passwords are a fact of online life. They keep our information safe, and they give us access to the stuff we like. But remembering passwords can be tricky. It's why most of us reuse the same password as often as we can. And when we can't, we add numbers, symbols, or capital letters to the password we know and love, thinking that will make our passwords easier to remember. But in reality, it just makes it harder. Keeping track of your passwords can be challenging, and traditional methods like writing them down or just resetting them again and again are either not particularly secure or really inconvenient. Fortunately for Google users, you don't have to worry about remembering a password ever again. That's because your Google account has a built-in password manager that can save your passwords in Chrome and Android, fill them in when needed, and help keep them safe. Protected with Google's best-in-class security, everything you save in the password manager is available through the cloud. Just log into passwords.google.com or find the password manager in your Google account to see and manage all your saved passwords in a secure and central place that only you can access. And the next time you're using Chrome, simply save new passwords to your Google account when prompted. The password manager also comes with Password Checkup, a quick step-by-step guide that examines and strengthens the security of your passwords. Now the only password you'll ever need to remember is your Google password. Your password manager will take care of all the rest.